Chicago Marathon, which is actually pretty terrifying. But we've been training since June. Yeah, so I guess I'm ready. We'll see. Ooh, it's already getting kind of cold, but this is going to be perfect to run in. So we're just going to keep all of the workout stuff together. We've got customized marathon bra, maximum support, much needed. And we have a cute, customized Thank You running shirt. Gonna make it real. Just do it. Oh my gosh, everything fits so perfectly. This is the easiest packing has ever been for me. This I'll probably just wear on the plane because it's my favorite hoodie and I love NERD and it has rhinestones all over it, so what more do you need? Much needed for marathon training, pain alleviation spray. I would not be able to like walk normally after doing all of this. Can't live without the inhaler. It's gotta come everywhere I go. My hair would be a frizzy, poofy mess, so we gotta bring all the curly hair products we can get. The best sunglasses, I mean, come on. I'm gonna be running 26 miles in these. I'm gonna look great, right? I know you guys said yes on the other side of that. This is always the toughest part, is packing shoes. The 90s baby in me naturally loves these because they came out in the 90s. So we're bringing them, they're fun and they're loud. Maybe we'll put this under. I guess we're doing this. Despite all the training, I'm still super scared and nervous. It's a lot of miles and I have asthma and I've somehow gotten this far, but I mean, Nike knows what they're doing. I'm sure we'll all, I'm gonna cross that finish line. I have no choice but to. It's just gonna be scary doing it. But everything's ready, so I guess it's time to go. Pray for me. Pray for my lungs. When I come back, I'm gonna be an official marathon runner. Hope y'all are ready.